Welcome to Radiation Explained, a beginner's guide. Have you ever wondered what radiation is, where it comes from, or how it affects us? This video is designed for curious minds and anyone looking to understand the basics of radiation in a clear, easy-to-follow way. In this guide, we'll demystify radiation, explore its different types, identify its natural and man-made sources, discuss its effects on our health, and share essential safety measures. By the end, you'll have a foundational understanding of this fascinating and often misunderstood phenomenon. So what exactly is radiation? Simply put, radiation is energy traveling in the form of waves or energetic particles. It's all around us, from the light we see to the radio waves that power our devices. It's a fundamental part of the universe. Radiation can be broadly categorized into two main types: non-ionizing and ionizing radiation. We'll delve into the differences and significance of each as we go. Let's start with natural radiation sources. You might be surprised to learn how much natural radiation we encounter every day. These sources include cosmic rays, terrestrial radiation, and even radon gas. Cosmic rays originate from outer space, from the sun and beyond. They constantly bombard Earth's atmosphere, and their intensity increases with altitude, which is why airline crews receive slightly higher exposure. Terrestrial radiation comes from naturally occurring radioactive materials in the Earth itself, such as uranium, thorium, and potassium. These elements are found in rocks, soil, and water. Radon gas is a significant natural source. It's a colorless, odorless radioactive gas that forms from the decay of uranium in soil and rocks. It can seep into homes through cracks in foundations. Beyond natural sources, there are also many man-made sources of radiation that have become integral to our modern lives. These include medical imaging, nuclear power, and even some consumer products. Medical imaging, like X-rays and CT scans, uses controlled doses of radiation to help diagnose and treat various conditions. While effective, their use is carefully monitored for safety. Nuclear power plants generate electricity through controlled nuclear reactions. They are designed with multiple safety layers to contain radioactive materials and prevent their release. Even some consumer products contain small amounts of radiation, such as smoke detectors, certain types of ceramics, and even some glow-in-the-dark items, though the levels are generally very low and safe. So how does radiation affect us? The impact of radiation depends on several factors, including the type of radiation, the dose received, and the duration of exposure. Remember those two types? Ionizing radiation has enough energy to remove electrons from atoms, creating ions, which can potentially damage cells. Non-ionizing radiation, like radio waves, does not have this ability. High doses of radiation can cause acute health effects like radiation sickness. However, lower, chronic exposures are more often associated with an increased risk of long-term effects, such as certain cancers. Given these effects, radiation safety and protection are paramount. The core principles of radiation protection are time, distance, and shielding. Minimize the time spent near a source, maximize your distance from it, and use appropriate shielding materials like lead or concrete to block the radiation. These simple rules significantly reduce exposure. Common safety measures include wearing protective gear, monitoring exposure levels, and following strict protocols in environments where radiation is present, such as hospitals and nuclear facilities. In conclusion, radiation is a complex but natural part of our world. Understanding its basics helps us appreciate its role in technology and medicine, while also enabling us to respect its potential risks. We've covered what radiation is, explored its natural and man-made sources, discussed its health impacts, and learned about crucial safety measures like time, distance, and shielding. Remember, knowledge is your best protection. For those who want to learn more, we recommend a visit to new2nuclear.com. Feel free to reach out if you need further information. Nuvia is your lifecycle partner for highly regulated environments. We work to build a safer, cleaner, and more sustainable world.